Otter AI Review. Let's get started. Otter AI is an AI-powered meeting assistant designed to transcribe, summarize, and organize meetings in real time. It integrates with platforms like Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams, offering features such as speaker identification, keyword tagging, and automated summaries. Now let's talk about its pros. It offers time efficiency, enhanced collaboration, increased productivity, versatile applications. Now those pros sounds like a good thing. However, it has some downsides, or its cons. It has its transcription accuracy, so it's not really, well, it's generally accurate, but it can struggle with accents, like technical jargon or background noise. It is also has a limited language support. It has privacy concerns, and it has limited offline functionality. So in conclusion, Otter AI is a valuable tool for automating meeting, transcriptions, and enhancing collaboration. Its real-time transcriptions and summarization features can significantly boost productivity for teams and individuals. However, potential users should be aware of its limitations, including transcription accuracy in challenging audio conditions.